Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to renovate an old kurta or top and we will paint on it with the fabric paints. So let's start. So this is my old kurta. It's a normal Fab India kurta. I'm going to draw lines here. So this much is there. Now I'm going to draw the design. So I'll draw a simple design. I have placed a newspaper so that my painting will not go to the other surface. I'm going to paint it quickly with, first step I'll paint with white. This is fabric white by Fevicryl, so that you all can see. This is rough cloth, cotton, so it will absorb the paint. Don't take too much paint in your brush, because if it is too much paint, then it will peel off from the cloth. And when you are washing it, make sure you are not scrubbing it. Just dip in the liquid soap and take it out. I have sarees with me which are regularly washed in washing machine, and I painted them in 2005. So actually these fabric paints are very good quality. Nothing happens to them. Only we have to be careful that we are not washing them in a rough manner. In between, we have to wipe the brush because paint gets accumulated on the brush. We can wash also, but if we are washing, we have to make sure that we are drying it properly. Otherwise, it's cloth, so there are chances that if brush is wet, paint may smudge. This is a Bengal design. They draw the mangoes in this style. Every state has their own art style. When this dries in 2-3 days, then heat the iron, not too much heat, little bit, and iron it from the back side of the cloth. No, not on the paint side. I mean to say that you turn the कुर्ते को उल्टा कर लीजिए और फिर उसके ऊपर पेंट करिए, सॉरी आयरन करिए. जब हम साड़ी पेंट करते हैं तब हम साड़ी को भी उल्टी साइड से पेंट करने के बाद सुखाने के बाद हम आयरन करते हैं. अब जब हम इस साइड को करेंगे ना, तो हमें पूरा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि बराबर सेम डिजाइन आता जाए. कोशिश करेंगे कि नंबर ऑफ पेटल्स सेम आए. We'll try our best to have same number of petals now because it should be mirror image. Now we'll check thoroughly which places paint is more absorbed, and there we'll give the touch up. Like here it's looking little empty, so I'm making one mango carry. So thoroughly check your painting and see where you have to give the second coat. Our dress is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.